This morning I'm making chocolate mint biscuits, which is one of my personal flavour combinations. Just love anything chocolate and mint. First step, I've got the oven preheated to 170 Celsius, and I've got a baking tray here, which I've just popped a reusable baking sheet on. Into a bowl, I'm going to measure out 120 grams of butter. I'm going to cream this together now with 50 grams of brown sugar. Okay, so into the bowl, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a quick mix again. And then I'm going to sieve in, and I've got 160 grams of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. These are quite rich chocolatey biscuits. If you want a slightly milder chocolate flavour, perhaps just add 2.5 tablespoons. I'm going to sieve that in. I've also got a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Also going to add in just a pinch of salt. You don't need to add salt if you'd rather not, but it does just bring out the chocolate flavour. Okay, it is quite a dry mix, this one. If you find it's too dry, you can just add a little splash of milk, but it should form together pretty well when you get your hands in, clean hands, and just shape. And then I'm just going to roll kind of large marble size. I like to, with a fork, flatten them perhaps a little more than you usually would, and I like to do the old double fork. My cookies here have cooked. Just leave them on the baking tray for a couple of minutes to firm up and then pop them onto a wire rack to cool. While they are there cooling down, let's make the mint buttercream. I do love anything mint flavoured. Okay, I have got 20 grams of butter, unsalted butter. I'm going to just cream that together with about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Into the bowl then, I'm going to sieve in, I've got 125 grams of icing sugar. Into the bowl, just going to add a little bit of peppermint flavour and green food colour. You don't need to add the colour if you prefer not to. If you need to, just add a little tiny drop of water just to help the buttercream icing come together. Nice and smooth there, ready just to fill the biscuits. Nice bright green, yum. Ready to eat. I think my kids will enjoy this. Here are my finished mint chocolate biscuits. A really easy recipe, this one, but delicious, rich, chocolatey, fluffy biscuits.